If you've ever found yourself forgetting important deadlines or just wishing for a gentle nudge to finish a task on time, today's tutorial is absolutely for you. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to set reminders in ClickUp, the powerful project management tool. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create customized alerts that will keep you organized and one step ahead, whether you're juggling school assignments, work projects, or even personal goals. Alright, let's jump right in and make sure those tasks never slip through the cracks again. First up, you'll want to head over to your ClickUp workspace. Now, this is your command center. Basically, it's the hub where all your tasks, lists, and projects live. You can get there from your browser or the ClickUp app, whichever you prefer. Give it a moment to load and just double-check you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. Sometimes, if you're part of multiple teams or have side projects, it's easy to land in the wrong spot. Once you're inside your workspace, the next thing you want to do is select the specific task you want to be reminded about. Think about a deadline coming up or maybe something you're worried you'll accidentally overlook. You can scan through your tasks or use ClickUp's search feature if you have a lot going on. It's perfectly normal to have dozens of tasks. The reminders feature is here to help you stay on top. When you've located your task, look over to the right side of it and you'll notice a small row of icons. What you're looking for are the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. These dots are like a hidden toolkit for customizing your task. Go ahead and give those three dots a click. If you don't see it at first, try hovering your mouse beside the task name. It might pop up as you move around. A menu will appear, and from there you'll want to look for the option labeled Remind Me. Clicking this is what unlocks the power of personalized reminders. Now you're ready to set exactly how and when ClickUp will nudge you. You'll see a prompt to type a message. This is the notification that will show up later. Think of it as leaving a note for your future self. For example, you can type task is almost due, just to catch your attention, or get creative, maybe add specifics like send report before 2 p.m. Write whatever will be most useful or motivating for you. Next, you'll decide when you want to be notified. There's a setting called Notify Me, and here you can choose how many minutes, hours, or even days before the task deadline you'd like your reminder to arrive. For instance, setting it for 10 minutes before is perfect if you just need a last-minute heads-up. If you tend to procrastinate, maybe set it a bit earlier. Remember, the timing is totally in your control, so tailor it to fit your workflow. Once your message and timing are locked in, all that's left is to click Create Reminder. That's it, you're done. ClickUp will now send you a notification right when you need it. If you ever need to adjust or delete it, you can always go back into the task and tweak things. And don't worry if it didn't work on your first try. Sometimes it takes a moment for settings to sync or for the reminder to appear, especially if you're on mobile. So that's all it takes to set up reminders in ClickUp. With this simple tool, you'll never miss another deadline or meeting again. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need more examples, drop a comment below. I love helping out. For more ClickUp tips and easy how-tos, don't forget to hit subscribe so you're always the first to know when a new video goes live. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.